Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I will tell you how to create responsive login form within 2 minutes. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. Means please open Chat GPT. After that, just type here responsive login form with HTML and bootstrap. Just enter. Within a few seconds, you will get the code here. See, it is generating your code. Now it is completed. Now just copy this code and paste it in your HTML file and save this page wherever you want. Just I am giving name here loginform.html. loginform.html. Let's check this page, it's working or not. Just double click on your file and see your form is ready. You can check this code at any platform. It will definitely work for you. Thank you friends. If you found helpful this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates about digital marketing. Thank you.